Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to boost your customer satisfaction and agent performance? In this video, you will learn how to use Freshworks data-driven insights to improve your customer service. From identifying pain points to making smarter support decisions. Freshworks Analytics is a powerful reporting tool. Inside Freshdesk and other Freshworks apps, it gives you real-time data on support performing, including ticket trends, response and resolution, times, agent productivity, CS, CSAT, customer satisfaction, SLA, branches, and more. Go to Freshdesk, then Analytics, and this is overview of each report tab. To get started, log into your Freshdesk and go to Analytics in the top menu. Choose from default reports like Help Desk, Performance, Agent Scorecard, or build a custom dashboard. You can filter time and you can filter by time, group, agent, time, ticket type, or channel to dive deeper. Let's look at the most valuable metrics to monitor. First, response time, how quickly agents reply. Resolution time, total time to solve the issue. Ticket volume by category, spot trending, problems. CSAT goes how happy customers are. SLA violations find where delays happen. Each metric shown with a card graph plus an example use case. Tracking this over time shows you where your service is improving or where it needs work. So create a custom dashboard. Go to report tab from analytics. Click new report. Then you can create a custom dashboard. Click new report. Choose metrics like ticket status, tags, agent or date trends. Add widget like bar charts, pie graphs, or a number counters. Save and share it with your team, building a report in real time. Now that you have data, use it to improve support, assign more agents during peak hours, provide training to agents with high response time, add help articles for common issues, set autoresponders for tickets with delayed replies. Recognize your ticket routing rules. You can also use insights to automate your support. Use supervisor rules to follow up on again tickets. Auto assign tickets based on ticket volume. Trends trigger alerts for SLA braces or low CSAT. scores. So now, why Freshdesk? Uh, all in one support system. Freshdesk unifies customer queries from email, chat, phone, social media, and web. You can add to-do list, forums, beginner-friendly interface. It's clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Even not non-tech teams can start using it right away. Automation saves time. Automate ticket assignment, replies, follow-ups, and SLS, reducing manual work and speeding up response times. Collaboration tools built in, private notes, collisions detection, and team assignments let agents work together efficiently without confusion. Powerful reporting and insights. Track agent performance, ticket trends, and customer satisfaction in real time. Perfect for scaling your support. Scalable pricing. From free plans for startups to enterprise grade features, Freshdesk grows with your business. It integrates with tools like Shopify. Go to admin, then search for marketplace, or from the dashboard, click on section, then marketplace app or manage app, then search for Shopify or Slack, like that. Then WhatsApp, easy at early access, but paid. Zoom version 2, free, and over 100 plus apps. So that's how you use Freshworks data analytics to drive faster, smarter, and more satisfying customer support. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.